What up, guys? They call me El Patronn, Brooklyn Mitsubishi, and this video is for my boys, the Weston show. All right, so when I call, they answer. They say yes, we're down, and they came in here not knowing what was to expect, right? And they had a beautiful time, and I got the messages, and I just want to tell you guys that I support what you're doing out there in the South. And you know what? The future, it looks very promising for you guys. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't listen to the naysayers, right? Just keep doing what you're doing, man. At the end of the day, I know you have a mission, and it's gonna happen. It's gonna come to fruition. So I appreciate the support. I appreciate you being on my conference. You guys are definitely in the future, and in my future conferences, if there's gonna be a conferences, a lot of people are texting me that they want another conference because they missed it, right? And you guys did a great job, amazing job. Love to have you guys on the video, and you guys did great. Played with my kids, and we did the show out of the conference, so I was honored for that. So I just want to tell you from the bottom of my heart, man, I thank you guys for coming through, all right? And keep you guys posted. I'll be watching your stuff just like you're watching my stuff, all right? So anything you guys need, reach out to El Patronn, and I got you guys, all right? Peace. We out.